Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to create the landing page in the Systeme IO. Click the sales funnel, the one you have created. Now click on the ads tab and select the opt-in page. Now give the name to this opt-in page. This is the email capture form. Save. Now go to the template, the one you choose, click on it and click on the customize option. You can customize it as per your own requirement. Just save and exit. Now here is your landing page is ready. Thank you for watching.